I have seen few things in the base common in the bestseller books. They are the way they have narrated their story is amazing. Like just starting in college, and then my one of my like is very senior to me, and he have told me like you should study this kind of books, self-help book and fiction books, non-fiction books and anything like that. But you should study. And I was like, yeah, I mean, but I didn't take that thing seriously. Even after getting in the fifth semester, I didn't take that thing seriously, and I didn't took even seriously, but yeah, slowly I started to read, and then I got into the habit, and it take time, right? I might go wrong, but this is what I think because I have read so many books, and from every books that I have finished, they have got a similar point to giving a review of this book, which is I am recently reading and I have finished reading. This is called Do a Big Shit, and dude, I want to tell you what the bestseller book got. Like every bestseller book that I have read, they are the way they have narrated the story is very perfect, and in the every end of the chapter they have mentioned a conclusion of the chapter, and that conclusion is represented and the conclusion is written in the quotes, and the quotes are so much meaningful, and and the quotes have so much depth, and when you get a hook by these words, like when you are reading one word and the another word is like wow, the another word you're gonna read is very connected to that next phrase, next word, and that's make the reader to read that book to get hook on that book, and that is why the bestseller book got. Of course, there is a strategy, marketing strategy that help them to grow, help them to sell their books as their personal brand. And there are so many people who have written a book, but that book doesn't went well, right? And most of the reasons are the maybe the way they have narrated the story is not good enough, right? And this book is well organized. The quotes he have mentioned in every end of chapter, that's all meaning, like it's very meaningful, and that is what bestseller book make a bestseller, I guess. Everything he have experienced in his life, he have mentioned it so well and so perfectly, and that is the best part in it. And when I got into the seventh semester, then I start reading this kind of books, and these kind of books are really I don't want to say you should not study your college stuff, but you should study. And with that, if you are have a time to study this kind of book, then you should really go and study that kind of book. So